Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to enable or show hidden education themes in Windows 11. So generally, Microsoft does include education themes in Windows, and if you want to use it on any versions of Windows, then I'll show you how to enable, and you don't actually have to download anything. It's all built in into the Windows operating system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then makikita mo kaagad dito or magpapap itong registry editor. So before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select lang yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And dito sa export registry file, and select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file, and I would suggest and recommend to create file name must be with a date. So kailangan mo lalagyan ng date yung file name, and then click mo lang dito yung save. And if you needed to import it back, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select lang yung file dito sa taas, and then select mo lang dito yung import. And dito sa import registry file, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, and then start na tayo. Ang next step, so dito lang sa computer, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software. So select and double click. And dito sa software, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft. So select and double click. And dito sa Microsoft, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung policy manager. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and i-locate natin dito yung policy manager. So select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung device. So i-click mo lang tong device. And then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung new. And then select mo lang dito yung case. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung new folders. So dito sa new folder ay kailangan lang natin yan i-rename. So ito yung lalagay natin, education. So once na-rename mo siya, and then click mo lang dito yung enter. Alright. So ang next step ay same. Nakaselect lang itong educations. At dito lang sa right pane, mga kaibigan, ay kailangan natin mag-create ng new folder. Okay, so right click, and then select mo lang dito yung new, and then dito sa case, select mo lang dito yung the word 32-bit value, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung new folders, and then kailangan ulit natin yan i-rename. So ito yung ilalagay natin, enable, edu, and themes. Ayan. So ito yung i-rename natin na enable, and then edu, and then themes. So one word lahat yan. So E-N-E-E-B-E-L-E. Yung E is a big letter, and the U, and then yung themes, yung T is a big letter yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang edit the word 32-bit value, so double check yung value name na enable edu themes. At dito lang sa value data, itong 0 ay i-change natin yan into 1 value. So ibig sabihin is to enable the feature. And then dito sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa registry editor, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to enable or show hidden education themes in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.